Yo guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Monix, and I got oh wait. Let me collect some income and we should be there, I'm pretty sure. Alright, so we have 45k, 812 silver. We can open all of them, but like I don't want to open yet because the 5-day thing is still in place, and plus it's still division still, because like still division it gives you like 75 parts. Golden division gives you like 100 parts for a large clan chest, and clan super chest this 125, and I think it gives you way more. In Gold Division, I forgot what else it gives you in the super chest. I forgot. But yeah guys, I see you guys in that next day, basically.
The next day.
Alright guys, welcome back. I just woke up and I'm gonna open the chest. Bruh. Hey. Okay, I'm gonna open. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Bruh. Bruh. We're gonna open. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it.
I like this.
Okay, well, I got third eye. Yo guys, it's me, Monix, and today, that 45k silver opening was like really good. Well, not what I expected, but it was fine. But yeah guys, I got Project Red Button Heavy. I'm just testing it out with Sentence and 3-catting. So far the Heavy is not that bad. I mean, you have to have good modules for it to do like better than it normally does, but yeah. Also I heard that Ultimatum might come in the next van. I don't know. By the time you're watching this, the van probably gets closer, probably way closer, and it's just in a few hours. I don't know when. I'm probably gonna post this right away, as soon as I can get this video done and then done editing it. Also, I'm starting to make more high quality thumbnails, and also if you can't join the Discord server, it's in the link in the description and in the comment section, so you can't miss out anyway. But yeah, join the Discord server. Be more active. I saw a lot. What I saw in my Discord server, there's a lot more bronzes than silver, gold. Like everyone in my server, like not everyone, but most people in my server are just bronzes. They just join and don't chat at all. So only join if you know you're gonna chat a lot. Cause yeah, I'm also in plan for Overdrive Light, which is the second clan. I also opened a clan YouTube channel, so check it out. It's in the description below and in the comment section. I'll see you guys later. Bye.